All right, folks, pay very close attention because this is a very different kind of spams video, okay? Um, it actually has very little spelling in it, okay? So uh, keep that in mind. Okay, today we're going to talk about a strategy that it will help you spell certain big words, but also, and maybe even more so, help you read big words you've never seen before. Okay? The strategy is what I like to call go to first base. All right, here is, see, go to first base. Okay? So, let me explain what go to first base means. Go to first base means find the base word inside of a larger word. Okay? A base word is a smaller word that has had, in a big word, has had prefixes and suffixes added to it. Okay, here are some examples. All right, this first one here on top, it says ungraceful. Like, for example, if you saw a video of Miss Levine dancing, you might be, wow, that's really ungraceful the way she moves. So the base word of ungraceful is grace. It is the main word around which this is built. Un is a prefix that means not. Full means full of. So if you're graceful, you're moving with grace. If you're ungraceful, you're not moving with grace. Okay? Notice grace is just right in there for you. Now, sometimes there will be slight changes to the spelling of the base word. Okay, for example, this is the word unnatural. So if you were to watch Miss Levine dance, you might be like, ooh, it looks unnatural the way she moves. So inside of the word unnatural is the base word nature, okay? But nature is N-A-T-U-R-E, okay? You'll notice that the E got dropped from nature when we added the suffix al. Okay, so your job in these blanks is to put the base word for all the words I'm about to show you. Okay, I'm just going to hold up the words, and you can go and find the base word in each of them. And you're going to write that base word into the blank on your spams form. I'll say that again. Your job is to find the base word inside of these big words and write it in the blanks provided. You must write a real word, okay? For example, this first one, you can't just put like P-E-R-F and say, oh, that's the base word. That's not a word, okay? You have to find an actual word within these words. All right, here we go. I'll hold these up. You can just pause the video and find the base words for all these words and put them in the blank. Okay? Pause the video. Until you're done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and take these down and tell a joke. Very, very fantastic joke I found on the internet. Okay, why don't teddy bears ever order dessert when they go to a restaurant? Why don't teddy bears order dessert when they go to a restaurant? Well, they're always stuffed.